Hello everyone, my name is Wanda and I'm with the Alpha Park Library. So today's special because it starts off week 6 of Mini Melodies, or story time aimed at kids ages 3 to 6. This week is all about cats, so make sure that you take out your lesson plans and you follow along. Here we go. As always, we're going to start off with You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song and we'll sing a song together. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song in warm or wintry weather. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song and we'll sing a song together. You'll sing a song and I'll sing a song in warm or wintry weather. Okay, so let's get into that kitty cat spirit. Our next song is called Say Meow, and it's to the tune of If You're Happy and You Know It. If you're a kitty and you know it, say meow, say meow. If you're a kitty and you know it, say meow, say meow. Make sure that you're meowing along with me. If you're a kitty and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're a kitty and you know it, say meow, say meow. If you're a kitty and you know it, say meow, say meow. If you're a kitty and you know it, say meow, say meow. If you're a kitty and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're a kitty and you know it, say meow. If you're a kitty and you know it, say meow, say meow. If you're a kitty and you know it, say meow, say meow. If you're a kitty and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're a kitty and you know it, say meow, say meow. Okay. So our first book today is called Cat Knit by Jacob Grant. Cat and Girl had always been good friends. One day, Girl brought home a colorful new guest. His name was Yarn. Cat was fascinated by Yarn. He never had a friend so bright and rolly. The two of them were inseparable. Look, they played tic-tac-toe, built a snowman, they went sledding. They did a lot of cool things together, huh? But Girl also wanted to play with Yarn. What do you think she wanted to do with it? Cat waited and waited. He wasn't sure what Girl was up to, but he didn't like it. When Yarn returned, he wasn't his usual bouncy self. She knitted Yarn into a sweater. Cat's friend had changed. Cat did not like this new Yarn one bit. He was itchy and stuffy and no fun at all. Cat was so mad, he hardly noticed the cold snow. He had to get away from this new Yarn. Soon, Cat realized just how cold it was. Warming up to something new takes time. She had knitted the sweater for him to keep him warm. Yarn may have changed, but they would always be friends. Then one day, Girl brought home a group of colorful guests. She knitted even more for him. I mean, they could still go sledding like that, right? Okay, so next we have a poem, so make sure that you follow along. They made little felt pieces for it as well. It's called Little Kitty Cat. I'm a little kitty cat, watch me pounce. hear my purr, hear my growl. When you touch my beans, beware, I might give a little scare. Kitty cat, watch me pounce. Hear my purr, hear my growl. When you touch my beans, beware, I might give a little scare. Kitty cat, watch me pounce. Hear my purr, hear my growl. Do you guys have cats at home? Do they like it when their beans are touched? I have dogs, which are very different than cats. But if I ever touch his paws, he gets really grumpy. So, our next book is called Hats Are Not for Cats. And this ties in with our craft this week. So make sure that you come in and you pick one up and you can make a cat with a hat. So maybe hats are for cats? I guess we'll find out in this book. And there's dogs in it. Excuse me, cat. I see you're wearing a hat. But hats are not for cats. Hats, you see, are for dogs like me. Hats are not for cats. Not hats that are big or hats that are small. Hats are not for cats at all. Not pink or stripy or polka dotty. Dogs wear hats and cats do not. Look, he even made a chart. The correct wearing of hats. Dogs, yes. Cats, no. Not hats that are festive or hats that are fun. Not hats for the cold or hats for the sun. Not hats that are fussy or hats that are frilly. Not hats that are serious or hats that are silly. Not fine hats or flapper, not dashing and dapper. Not pirates or party, not odd hats or arty. Not hats from Tasmania or Transylvania. Not hats from Peru or Timbuktu. Hats are not for cats. Do you think that's true? The correct wearing of hats. Dog, yes. Cat, no. But look, hats are for cats. Fun hats, flapper hats, frilly hats, silly hats, pirate hats, party hats, odd hats, arty hats, hats for the cold, hats for the sun. Maybe hats are for everyone. But now the dog's really sad because he doesn't have a hat. Hats are for everyone. But dogs and cats, they're wearing all sorts of hats. And now they're good friends. So remember, you can make your very own cat with a hat. You come into the library and pick up that craft kit. Okay, so we have one more song. And this song ties in with Hats Are Not for Cats. It's to the tune of Reindeers Are Better Than People. Hats are not for cats. Puppy, do you think that's true? Yeah, hats are for puppers, not for those kidders. But I guess if they wear hats, that's okay too. Hats are not for cats. Puppy, do you think that's true? Yeah, hats are for puppers, not for those kidders. But I guess if they wear hats, that's okay too. I think it's pretty okay. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this week. Next week is all about adventure. So I hope you tune in for that as well. Thank you. Bye now.